How to use Snoreka, step-by-step guide. Determine the size. You can determine your size by using the bite card. If your teeth impression is within the blue area, you need Snoreka Mini, and if it extends outside, you need Snoreka. Download the bite card from the website link given below. Let's see how to mold your Snoreka device for perfect fit. To mold the Snoreka device, soak it in water that is 70 degrees Celsius for about 25 seconds. Bite firmly on the device for 30 seconds to make an impression for the best fit. After molding, soak the device in cold water for about 60 seconds to set the shape. You can see your teeth impression formed on the Snoreka device. Titration mechanism. Locate the markings 10-5-1 on either side of the device. Hold the device in a P shape with one hand where the upper arch should face you. Squeeze the sides in from the push word. Move the lower arch forward 1 notch. 1 mm. Ensure both sides of the device indicate the same adjustment setting. Try using the device overnight at the adjusted titration point while you sleep for at least 2 to 3 nights before adjusting further. Monitor your sleep quality, preferably using the FastNap sleep band. If needed, you can increase titration till your symptoms lessen by repeating step 6 and moving the lower arch forward 1 notch. Cleaning and storage. After use, rinse the device with water or toothpaste after each use and place Snoreka in the provided box until the next use.